Hi everyone, my name is Keimy and I'm a clinical social work student and also part of the LISTA Certificate Program. This is a video to show you what a day in the life of a practicum student looks like. And just to give you a little background, I am currently interning at a private practice. So I offer free therapy to a diverse population of people, but mainly the Latinx community. And I do individual, group, and couples work. I normally start my day early, around 6:30 a.m. or 7. I pick my outfits and get dressed. I usually wear business casual because it's more appropriate for the office setting. I like to do my makeup, and I normally take my time with this because this is my time to just mentally prepare myself for the day ahead. Usually I have breakfast, but on days where I don't have breakfast, I make it up with lunch later on in the day. But I pack my stuff, my agenda, my computer, and most importantly, water. We're finally here. We're gonna go up to the second floor. I like to get here an hour early just so I have time to settle down and review notes so I can be ready for my clients. And I also like to review the agenda for the day. Today I am seeing 3 different clients for individual sessions. This is the office. As you can see, it's really cozy. My name is on the door, which is really cool. And this is the room where I work and also do therapy. My day consists of responding to emails, making phone calls, reviewing psychosocials, making treatment plans and notes, and also doing research. I also schedule appointments and meetings with my supervisor. While I wait for my clients, I like to mentally prepare myself. Sessions are an hour long, and I do them virtually and in person and in English and Spanish. I also like to take notes just so I can remember what we spoke about. In between sessions, I like to take the time to read up on theories and concepts that I still need to understand a little bit better, and also just finding any useful information that could benefit my clients. And that's what a typical day at my practicum looks like. Most of my clients are Latino, so I just want to take some time to thank the LISTA Certificate Program because being part of the program definitely prepared me to work with the Latinx community, especially in a way that's culturally sensitive and empowering. You know, social work isn't just about theory, it's about understanding the lived experiences of the people that we serve. And through LISTA, I've learned how to incorporate cultural humility, advocacy, and intersectionality into my work. 2 of the classes that actually stuck with me were behavioral health with Latinos and social work with Latinos because they helped me understand challenges like acculturation stress and language barriers, and also how immigration impacts mental health. And I see this every day in my practicum when working with Spanish-speaking clients who have faced discrimination, family separation, and trauma. Another thing that I'm very thankful for is that LISTA has also given me a strong support system. I was able to connect with other Latino social workers. I was able to listen to their stories and learn from professors who understand the unique challenges that the Latinx community faces. And honestly, it's truly invaluable. The courses also helped me feel more confident in my work with the Latino population and also in supervision, because now instead of discussing diagnoses and treatment plans, I now consider and think about the whole person, their family dynamics, their immigration history, their language barriers, and their cultural identity. And these are things that mainstream social work education sometimes overlooks, but LISTA makes it a central part of our learning. And honestly, I highly recommend it because it's about making an impact in the Latinx community and ensuring that our clients feel truly seen and understood.